Well, welcome back to another Uncle Keith's paint shop video, and as you can see, a Toyota Alphard. It's a little bit modified, it's got some wheels on it, and Keith's job is to change the colour of this. So let's have a walk around it and see what we've got. Okay, so here it is. It's a great big vehicle. If you don't know what a Toyota Alphard is, well, you will soon. As you can see, the customer's already had some bodywork done, and it's our mandate to just put the colour on it. So that's going to be as good as the customer's bodywork, because we've not got the budget to be fixing or rectifying things. Yeah, so in this scenario, it is going to be as good as the bodywork that's already been done by somebody else. So there's a few areas of concern that we're going to highlight very quickly. Yeah, that we can't do this. What we have to do is we either have to prep the vehicles or we paint the vehicles. Obviously, we can do both as long as it's in our budget, as long as it's what we've been asked to do. But there's been some repairs and already some overspray that hopefully the colour that we're putting on is going to pretty much bury. But yeah, it's going to have a big clean, isn't it, Keith, before we start?
Yeah, I think we're going to take a few minimal bits off it, I think.
Yeah, and mask off what we can.
A good clean. Yeah,
so clean to within 1 inch of its life, and then we'll get on with sending it. Well, I think it's going to go matte black first, isn't it?
Matte black. Your favourite.
I know, I bet it transforms it just in matte black, mate. I bet that'll look like a right murdered out death wagon. Right, let's do it. In the spray booth is our Keith. Looks like he's loaded up. So
yeah, a bit across the roof, but I thought we'd get a bit of before it's going down the side.
So we're putting the first layers of the liquid wrap on.
Yeah, we're just building up.
Build them up. So many layers, but this is the first sort of dusting.
It's got a good impact because you're going from the silver
to the black.
Yeah.
I do like a matte black car. Right.
It has been said.
Yeah, I know. Have at it.
Give a lighter coat on your first coat just to let it.
Is that called a gripper coat?
Yeah, it's sort of, the sort of. Because if you well it on, you can get some reactions, and then the big reactions down there. If you put a light one on first, then it'll go off. See what I mean?
Yeah.
It helps you out.
This is such a big flat panel, flat side of it. I think this is going to look tremendous when the colour's on it.
It's going to have a big impact.
Because I think you're going to be standing here and look, as you look down the side of the car, it will literally transform just as you move your head. Yeah. Transformer. Yeah, excellent. Okay, well, we'll check back with you when this is completely black.
You're late to the party, mate.
What did you do? We the bed. It's very early, Keith, and I've noticed that this is already an amazing colour. Look at that, Keith. It's core blimey, governor.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it is really nice.
Well, that's the second coat. It's a good old thing to get, man.
It's a big old bus, ain't it?
Let that dry, see how that looks.
Yeah.
Give it half an hour.
You've already got a sweat on, kid.
It's big though, isn't it? Look at the size of it.
She said.
Yeah, but if you get up there, there's a roof that's as big as the
Of
service
course.
area down here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
It's a beauty.
Well, they want it definitely flips.
Oh, it does an half flip. Can you imagine how good it's going to look with a bit of shiny on it?
Panels are massive, isn't they?
Yeah, they are massive.
Yeah, we'll let it dry, have a check round it, make sure we're happy with everything. I can't see why not. I love how you can see different colours on badges in there.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
In the corner of that bumper there, look, you can see different.
Look at the Alphard badge. That looks
Yeah.
amazing already. Yeah, beautiful, mate. God, it's massive. It only barely just fits in here, mate.
Yeah, there ain't a lot of room, is there?
Look how it flips.
We'll let that dry, have a check round it, and then we're going to go for some gloss.
I wonder if it picks up my magic trick. I think it just about does.
Oh, yeah.
So watch, green. Yeah, it does.
You want that colour? You want that green?
You want this green, or do you want that purple? Excellent. Right, we'll check back with a bit of glossy gloss. Thumbs up. One of the words of the Beastie Boys. Hit it. Oh. Wow.
Definitely intergalactic, that's for sure.
I like it. Let's just hope it's not sabotage.
You lost me on that one. No, I do know. Look at that.
That's beautiful. Wowza. Well, it's out of the bay and the sun's hitting it. Cool, blimey. There's some sparkle in that, Keith. Certainly some sparkle in that. Oh, yeah. I actually really like it with the badges done. It's much more purple in the shade over here. It's purple here, as you can see, and as I move around it, that starts to flip to a green. It's very sparkly. Oh, the sun's just gone in, just when I needed it. Oh, yeah. It's actually, I feel like it's changing colours as I'm standing still looking at it. Beautiful. Well, there's a few bits to pop back on, like lights and things, but I'm really happy with how that's turned out. It's so sparkly, Keith.
I can think you see different colours. I don't think you've seen before.
Beautiful. Well, there she is. She's out. We got some light on her. Core blimey. That's another one completed. It does an half flip. It's such a big, long vehicle. Very sparkly. Very sparkly indeed. Yeah, beauty. Well, that's another one in the bag, ladies and gentlemen. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And if you need a quote, then give us a shout at Uncle Keith's Paint Shop. Oh, look, there's a bit of... Get that out of the way. Yeah, that's one stunning colour. It's so bright. Yeah, that's it from us. I will see you on the next one. Oh. Yeah.
That's the other way round now.
Here we go, a reveal on a Toyota Alphard in a Hypershift. Do it. Wowza. That's one funky colour. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. You like it?
I love it.
Yeah.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.